I have to compliment Carnival Cruise Line for the air conditioning in the cabin. I have stayed in many hotels, especially casino hotels, which are even nicer most of the time than non-casino hotels. And the air conditioning, yes, the air conditioning in my cabin is perfect. I didn't have to change the thermostat. It wasn't too hot. It wasn't too cold. It stayed that way through the heat of the day and the coolness of the night. Air conditioning was perfect. And I noticed that right away because I play with the air conditioning all the time in land-based hotel rooms. So my congratulations to Carnival. And I would assume that all cruise lines have perfected their air conditioning also. But what a pleasure.